Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Fat Guy Fixer Upper. Well, I guess it's not really an episode. This is more like going to be a short update, I guess you could say, about what's going on. Well, if you notice, my videos are coming out a lot slower. I haven't had time to edit video because of what's currently going on in the world. I have like 20 plus videos to edit yet, but I just don't have time to do it because of circumstances going on in the world. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, I'm referring to the Iran situation. Basically, because of the stupid war, there's now going to be a fuel shortage. I don't know how long we got till fuel runs too low when they start rationing, but they're saying that the strategic oil reserve, not for only the U.S., but for the entire world, is about to hit what they call tank bottoms, where they can't pump the oil out of the tanks or the caverns anymore to refine. So we're going to look at probably outages in random parts of the U.S. coming up probably in the next 2 months. They're saying California is going to be first. They're talking about you're going to see like $10 a gallon diesel until it runs out type stuff. Other people are calling this like the 1970s all over again because I guess in the 1970s they had a fuel shortage similar to this. Well, anyways, they're saying even though that we have this memorandum of understanding or whatever the heck it's called, right now nobody's really following it. The nation in the Middle East that starts with an I keeps breaking the agreement, and so it's getting delayed and pushed back before we start getting oil deliveries. And they're talking about even if it wasn't delayed, they're talking about 6 months to a stinking year for normal traffic to resume. And that's not even filling up the reserve tanks, I guess you could say, just for us to basically live day to day, 6 months to a year. So, yeah, things ain't looking good. And because of this, I've been trying to prepare for stuff around my house. Uh, just at work right now, they're about to do mass layoffs at work. Um, my other family members, there's a high probability they're going to do layoffs too. And if this happens, then my family might not have anywhere to live. So I've been busting my butt off trying to get this basement cleaned up, looking nice, like another house. That way, if they have to, they can't afford their house anymore because they lost their job, they can have somewhere safe and clean to live until situation. So here, I don't know what your guys' situation is, but little advice: you should probably, if you have the money, go out and buy a proper gas can, one that's legally and lawfully approved to hold gas, and get yourself like 5 gallons of gas and put that away for emergencies, like just in case this thing does get bad. I don't know what's going to happen. I have no clue, but you should have yourself at least 5 gallons of gas. Store it properly according to the law, whatever the law says in your state or county, wherever you live. And you just keep that gas for emergency use only. So, say you have to go to the hospital, keep that gas to go to the hospital. Because if there's no gas, there might not be no ambulances. I don't know how bad this is going to get. So, you're going to need fuel to get to the hospital. Or, say you're out of food, you need to go to the store, use the gas to go to the store because you have no other choice. Stuff like that. Whatever is an actual emergency, you just keep that for that emergency, whatever it could be. And if nothing happens, you can still use the gas. You can still put it in the gas tank afterwards. So that's what we're doing. We'll have 5 gallons for ourselves, and we're going to keep it for emergencies. And I'm doing stuff like instead of gas powered motors, saving up money to try to buy a battery powered lawnmower. Uh, Probably won't have it in time before stuff happens, but we'll see. Other than that, but yeah, that's what's going on. That's why I'm not releasing like 2 to 3 videos a week or whatever I was doing before. It's because I literally stopped everything I'm doing to try to get this basement cleaned up, and then after that, I'm thinking about I might even start like clearing a section of woods, maybe to plant vegetables. I haven't done it yet. Hopefully, I won't need to do it. We'll see. Because I already, like, when I go to Kroger, almost everything I buy is out of stock. Even the junk is out of stock. So it's like, dang, because it's already, I guess it already affected the farmers. The farmers going to get the fertilizer. So they're now planting way less. So now there's going to be a massive food shortage come this fall. There'll still be food, but there'll be a lot less of it. And if you listen to the agriculture reports, they're like saying like 20 million tons short of wheat, 20 million tons short of corn, stuff like that. Everything's going to be short this year because the stupid war started right at the beginning of planting season. Great, right? So I don't know what you guys are going to do, but do something to try to make your situation a little bit better. I'm going to try to release a video every 2 weeks at least. I have one I'm working on right now. It's my trip to Kentucky, to our land down south. We haven't been there in like 17 years or something like that. I had like 10 hours of footage, and I'm just trying to condense it down to like a reasonable, less than 2 hour video. Maybe less. I don't know how it's going to go, but I'm trying to shrink it down. But I guess thanks for tuning in. Do your best to prepare. And I'll see you guys whenever I put the next episode up. Later.